Day 11 of the 12 days of business. So today we have a cash flow forecast, and you can see you've got 3 areas you need to complete. So you have to do the opening balance for February, you have to do the total outflows for March, and you need to do the total inflows for May. Pause the video while you do this, and then let's look at the answers. So firstly, your opening balance you would have calculated at 1,200. If you're wondering how would you have done that, well, you know that your net cash flow is calculated by doing inflows minus your outflows, and you know that your opening balance obviously gets added on to your net cash flow to give you your closing balance. And in this case here, it is minus 250. So if you did your net cash flow of minus 1450 minus 250, you would get 1,200. Your next question was to work out the total outflows. Remember, again, you know that your net cash flow is calculated by doing your inflows minus your outflows, and you can see here that in this month here they actually had more money going out than coming in. So they had 5400 going in, but they also actually had more going out. That means that they must have had 375. If you added it on, you get 5775. And last but not least, you had to work out the total inflows, and it's sort of the way around at this point here. You can see that again you've got your net cash flow for the month of being a positive of 1250. So they had 4850 going out. How much must have been going in? Well, if you take that away, you'll find that you get 4850. Do that, well done. You picked yourself up a nice easy 3 marks.